Hey, what's up, PUNDI-X holders? So this is live price prediction of PUNDI-X altcoin. Yes, a lot of holders tell me to what we do. Please, prediction is very important. Live price prediction of PUNDI-X altcoin is very important. And some people tell me to PUNDI-X is a fraud. So I tell you this is not a fraud coin, and this is not a financial video. Remember, this is not a financial video. This is if you invest any cryptocurrency, then research personally, please. So let's get started the price prediction of PUNDI-X coin to what's going on in the previous days, and the previous prediction is very important. So guys, let's check out the live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can see here first of all the last 1 hour chart. This time I'm gonna show you, and then the one last 24 hour and the 7 days to what's going on and what we do in this critical situation. Please, I suggest you to first of all add and to a new PUNDI-X coin, because this he has a very fastest cryptocurrency, and this time they also give you a very good profit. If you need to invest this profit, then absolutely this is good. I suggest you to invest here, and this is absolutely very good cryptocurrency. They go very fastly. If they're jumping, if they're starting jumping, then there's like a Spider-Man, they're going like a rocket. So as this is the last 1 hour and the chant is a negative, so this is absolutely very bad. Okay guys, I especially make video for new PUNDI-X coin also. So remember to, if you are near this type video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Okay, so guys, and this time the price is come down 0.004953 US dollar. The price is totally goes down. Why they goes down, I telling you in this video. Okay guys, so let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. If you check out the last 24-hour result, it totally goes down. Why they totally goes down? You can see here totally dump, no jump. Here is no jump. You can see here they totally completely goes down very fastly. They goes down. The chat is as on minus 13.76% gone down. Oh my goodness, you can see here absolutely. Please convert a token, exchange it, and XRP new coin. This is absolutely, you check out the website. There is a PUNDI-X, search and PUNDI-X coin, then absolutely you see it. Okay, so guys, this time if you can see here, they're going to completely goes down in the last 7 days. Let's check out the last 7 days chart is also very important to what's going on in the last 7 days. Guys, if you see here, there's completely, I think this is selling time or exchanging time. What's your opinion? What are you doing? This is your decision to you, or buy you to you are selling, but this is not a buying cryptocurrency. This is very lost. If you are buying, then this is loss. I recommend you, I suggest you to please don't buy more. Okay, sell it and be fair, okay, let's stop this. Okay, this is very terrible. You can see here, this is very terrible cryptocurrency. I cannot invest. I sell my all PUNDI-X token, because this is cannot go up any, and no chance today going up. And the last 7 days every cryptocurrency absolutely goes down, but this was not like this. This is very terrible news that you can see here. Completely they're gone, and the price is absolutely, this time you can see here 7.7, but the and the last 1 hour, if you check out the last 1 hour, completely goes down from 0.007 to 0.0049. Very bad chance. So they completely goes down. I cannot buy more. I just sell it and be safe from lost. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. What's your expectation? What's your feeling? Please share in a comment box. To this is gone good, this is gone bad. What you are doing, please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.